what's up, love bugs? I'm gonna take those off because glare, and I know the lighting in here is so bizarre. Dog. I know the lighting in here is so weird, but just bear with me. Eventually, I'm gonna have one of those really cool setups with all the lighting. He's sniffing things. Anyway, I'm so excited because I just got back from my favorite place on the earth. This place is like my Disneyland, and I'm talking about Aldi, of course. So if you like Aldi hauls and you're ready to see a really good low carb friendly Aldi haul, not keto, we're not doing that anymore. Never mind. But if you like stuff like that, stick around. And if not, then you know what? I will see you in the next video, and we will see you here in a minute. Love you. Okay, so I went to Aldi and I bought all the things, y'all. Seriously, I spent $145 at Aldi. Some of this stuff is probably gonna carry over for more than 1 week though, so I have no shame. My typical grocery budget is $150, so no shame. I'm excited about what I got, so I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so we're gonna start off here with what I call the no bad dog area. This is all the stuff that is not for me and the hubs over the next week. This is for the kids to eat because obviously they can have carbs. The daughter picked out some fat-free butter or some low-fat butter popcorn. I don't know what the difference is, but she wanted to go low-fat with it, so I'm okay with that. And then some graham crackers, some penguins, and the boys' favorite chips. And then, yeah, he likes Spam, so I got him some, you know, because it is what it is. And some bread. I got 3 loaves of bread. The bread was on sale for like 85 cents, so I got 3 loaves. So 2 of these are going to go in the freezer. I got my favorite lettuces of life. This is it's artisan lettuce, but they're all like these really sweet, very light, kind of like butter lettuces, and I love those. I got some baby spinach and arugula mix. This, guys, is delicious, with some feta cheese and some raspberry vinaigrette or just some balsamic vinegar. Oh, so yum. I got some red onions, just because they're always good for me to have in the house. Some tomatoes for salads, and then for breakfast in the morning, the hubs really loves to have just a sliced tomato on the side with his omelet and stuff. Got some mushrooms because we love mushrooms. 2 packages there. I can slice them up and fry them up and make my hubby an omelet with them, use them on the side for something or whatever. They're just wonderful. Some green grapes. I didn't see the red grapes until later, but you know, green. Some carrots. The boy loves baby carrots. He will just eat these all day long. Some pink lady apples because they are my personal fave. And then we got some green onions. Now, I actually got these because I was going to make some crack slaw or egg roll in a bowl, whatever you want to call it. But the cabbage did not look great. So I'm actually going to have to go and get cabbage somewhere else to make crack slaw. But, you know, hey, there you go. I got some garlic. I plan on actually roasting probably a whole package of this stuff because roasted garlic is yum. Some avocados. These were like the last 2 packages of the bag of avocados, and they're organic, which I don't know if it really makes a difference. This one's a little iffy. This avocado right here is a little, I don't know. He might not be great. These ones might not be awesome. I probably should have checked them before I bought them, but you know, hey, it is what it is, right? Pork rinds, when we're doing the low carb thing, always a staple in our house. Mini cukes, I love dipping these in balsamic vinegar or ranch or whatever for snack. They're yum. And then, okay, so the eggs were for 85 cents a dozen. This is Aldi in Wichita Falls. So if you live in the Wichita Falls area, they're at 85 cents a dozen right now. And there wasn't a limit on there. So I got 6 dozen. But I probably could have got more, and those suckers will get eaten this week because we all love eggs. Okay, over here in the dairy section-ish, I got some cheese and some turkey and ham. Those are for the kids for sandwiches, and then the ham and the turkey, the hubs and I can use for cold plates this week. Some little smoked sausages, the baby cocktail sausages. Hubby likes those in the morning, sometimes with breakfast. string cheese, because yum. Some shredded sharp cheddar. I was actually going to get cheddar and mozzarella, but the mozzarella this week was literally twice the price of the cheddar. And I was like, no, not doing that. So we just got 2 packages of cheddar instead. Got some cream cheese. How about I turn that right side up so you can actually see that? Cream cheese. Cream cheese is a great low-carb staple. We put that in all the things. Whole milk ricotta, just to have that on hand. I don't have anything really planned for it. I might eat that as a snack. Some yummy, really specialty white cheddar cheese. Their cheeses are amazing. Butter, of course. They did have Kerrygold butter, but the Kerrygold butter was like half the amount for the same price as this, and so, you know, I just went with that. Some almond milk. Sometimes I do smoothies and stuff, and almond milk's always good. Diet sodas, my guilty pleasure. Don't judge. Okay, then over here in the meats and stuff, we have bacon, of course. Lower sodium bacon actually has fewer carbs than regular bacon, if you did not know that. I don't know if you knew that or not. The carbs on this say 0 and 0 sugars. So, there you go. There's not, wait, they don't even have sugar in the ingredients. Let me see if we can, cool, all right. Chicken thighs, because those are great to have on hand. Ground beef. I actually bought more meat than I intended this week, but it was a really good price, so I went ahead and stocked. And then we have the pantry staples. I was out of parsley, so I got some parsley, garlic powder, some salt, pink salt grinder. I love this stuff so much. Chili powder, some coconut oil, completely out of that. Some peanut butter. This is not really, you know, that low carb, but, you know, hey. Right? It's life. We give each other grace on all things. Got the hub some olives. Got some cooking spray. Blue cheese dressing. Ranch dressing. Mayonnaise. Ketchup. Tuna. Did I mention the cream? I got cream. I will probably not use a whole lot of that. I just got one, but I do use it in some things. So, and then waters. 2 waters. So that is it. That is my Aldi haul, guys. All the food. Yeah, I love Aldi because, I mean, like at Walmart, this probably would have been like almost twice as much. So I'm super, super happy with my buying skills. Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, so that is it. I actually don't really have a meal plan set up for the week. So, I might do that later on. I don't know. We'll see. I might give y'all a meal plan on Monday. I might not. We'll just see how that works. I don't know. I'm lazy, so you know this. This may not even get edited until next month. Who knows? All right, I caved. I know how much you guys love meal plans, so I made a quick one up. Okay, so tonight we're having burgers with potatoes. I may or may not have potatoes. I might have broccoli instead because I'm kind of craving broccoli, so that just sounds good. Tomorrow night we are having a chicken cauliflower rice casserole. At least my husband and I are. The kids may be eating sandwiches that night if they don't like what I make. Friday night we are having venison steaks with sauteed zucchini. Saturday we are having some roasted chicken thighs and salad. Sunday is our kind of a cheat day, carby day. You know, we don't really do plan on Sundays. So that's going to be pancakes and sausage or bacon, depending on what we have. Monday night, we are having mini meatloaves with salad. And then Tuesday night is crack slaw night, provided I can get some cabbage by then. So, obviously, meal plan is subject to change. If you're interested, there's close-up. Yeah. Thumbs up for great camera skills. Anyway. So that's it, guys. That's really it. Now back to the outro. Anyway, so that's it for me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And when you do, please, please, please hit that little bell notification so you don't miss another video. Love you guys. I'm sorry for the glare on my glasses. I just noticed it was there. Love you guys. Thank you again for watching. And remember, you are created in the image of an amazing God who thinks you are absolutely fabulous just the way you are. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.